Alright, check this out. This is an outdoor bathroom. Alright, I'm going to take you on the inside. This is in Hopkins County, downtown Sulphur Springs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the inside of this thing. Isn't that cool? Alright, so here we go. The mirrored bathroom. Let's go check this out. Let's shut the door. So this is what you got. You got your toilet, and you got your sink, and you got your paper, but look, everybody outside can see me. Yeah. So let's, is that clean? Let me sit down right here. Ah, this is the view you got. That's the view you got while you're sitting on a turtle. Mighty weird. Mighty weird. Let's take another look at that side. That's it. Ain't that cool? Subscribe. It's Papa from Texas. See ya. Alright. I appreciate you watching. This is Papa. Papa Texas. Papa Texas. Yeah. I'd appreciate you to subscribe to me, hit that bell, and turn on your notifications. Because Papa Texas, my channel, is about outdoor cooking. Whether it's on a disco, it's on in a Dutch oven, Weber kettle, gas grill, over open fire, many ways. And I meet up with friends and we cook together too, and go camping and do other things too, from geocaching, gardening. I don't know how we do that out camping. We like camping. That's right. We do mail calls. I do how-tos. They turn out fantastic and help people out. Yes, they do. That's why you should subscribe to me. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up to show your appreciation back to Papa Texas. That's right. If you want a Papa Texas t-shirt, they're in there somewhere. They're right down below. They're not real expensive. They're like $19.95. Yeah, and you can go over there and wait till they're 20% off sale. They have them all the time. Labor Day's coming up. Might be a sale. Wait till the sale and then go buy it. Yeah, costs you nothing more. Helps Papa. You hit my Amazon link down below. Buy anything you want on there. Costs you nothing more, but I'm affiliate. I get a little percentage for you using my link. That's right. That's helping Papa Texas out. And I appreciate that. It costs you nothing more to support the Papa Texas channel. That's right. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. I appreciate it. I hope you join my life journey as I post stuff. And on my Unfiltered channel too. That's the behind the scenes and the helpful YouTube tips I give out. Yeah. Everybody, this is Papa Texas. Hope you enjoyed that public bathroom mirror. Two-way. Whatever it was, it's Papa Texas. I see ya.